In the last lesson, we covered the basics of creating a video and saw just how easy it is to convert a script into a finished video. In this lesson, we'll take a look at how you can upload your own media to add an extra level of professionalism to the videos you create. Here I am on my dashboard, and as you can see, this is the video we created for travelclub.com in the last lesson. As I hover over the thumbnail, I can choose to edit, clone, or delete this video. For this example, I'll click Edit. Now I can come over to the Scenes tab to return to my scenes. Okay, now what I'd like to do is add a video clip that features the company's logo to give my video a more professional ending. To do this, all I have to do is scroll to the last scene and click the Add Video Clip icon here. You'll then see your media library on the left-hand side of the screen. Since I haven't uploaded any clips yet, I'll click Upload Video. I can then find the outro clip on my computer and click the Open button. This uploads my clip, converts it into the right format, and stores it in my media library to use in any future video. To add my outro clip, I just need to click on it. I can click the play button over here to watch the clip. And that's all there is to adding a standalone video clip. You can use this same process to add an intro clip, talking head clips between scenes, or even a product demo clip. Now I can generate my video. Here's what it looks like with the new outro clip added. If you're following along with this example, you'll find a link to the Travel Club outro clip below this training video. You'll also find a link that shows you exactly how to get animated clips like this created for your business for under $10. In the next video in this training series, we'll take a look at how to add a voiceover track to your finished video.